Listen and learn household chores vocabulary with sentences and translation. Слухай та вивчай слова про домашні обов'язки з реченнями та перекладом. Cleaning – прибирання, sweep – підмітати, mop – мити підлогу, vacuum – пилососити, dust – очищати пил, wipe – витирати. I sweep the floor every morning to keep it clean. Mop. After sweeping, I mop the kitchen floor to make it shiny. Dust. I dust the shelves to remove any collected dirt. Vacuum. Once a week, I vacuum the carpets to remove dust and debris. Wipe. I wipe the countertops after cooking to keep the kitchen tidy. Laundry – прання, wash, прати, dry, сушити, fold, складати, iron, прасувати. Wash. Every weekend, I wash my clothes using the washing machine. Dry. After washing, I hang my clothes outside to dry in the sun. Fold. Once the clothes are dry, I fold them and put them away. Iron. Some clothes need ironing to look neat and smooth. Household chores – домашні обов'язки. Kitchen – кухня. Wash the dishes – мити посуд. Empty the trash bin – спорожнити сміттєвий бак. Cook – готувати їжу. Bedroom – спальня. Make the bed – застеляти ліжко. Bathroom – ванна кімната. Clean the bathroom – прибирати ванну кімнату. Scrub – чистити ванну. Wash dishes. After dinner, I wash the dishes to keep the kitchen clean. Cook. I cook meals for my family every day. Empty the trash. I empty the trash bin regularly to avoid odors. Make the bed. In the morning, I make the bed to start the day fresh. Clean the bathroom. I clean the bathroom once a week to maintain hygiene. Scrub. I scrub the bathtub to remove any soap scum. Підпишись на канал, щоб не пропустити нові відео.